day, everybody. This is Manny Lowe reaching out to you with another unboxing video. This time it's an Xbox Series X. I finally gave up on my 360 and decided to upgrade to this. And this is what we have. I got this yesterday, so let's go through and find out what's in this box. Oh, nice. You can tell Microsoft spent some money on doing some of the marketing, and here we have our instruction manual. Oh, we got an HDMI cord and a power cable. Here's our controller and some more instructions on how to get everything hooked up. So let's get this box out of the way. And let's get working on this. So we got this little thing here. Let's do this the right way. Let's pull this off. And let's see what we got here. Okay. All right. Oh, nice. Did notice it's a little bit heavier than the original 360 and the original Xbox. I'm wondering if it's because of the power supply. But yeah, this is it. This is what we got. Let's see what these instructions say they want us to do. 1. Connect power cord and HDMI to console, then press the Xbox button on the front console to turn it on. Download or go to the Xbox app. Select setup console or search for setup. Okay, so this is like a quick start guide. Alrighty. So for now, this is what we got. New Series X Xbox. Alrighty guys, have yourself a great day. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can get updates.